Let's talk about checking accounts. These accounts are fundamental to managing your personal finances effectively. A checking account is a safe place to keep your money and access it easily. You can deposit money and access it through ATMs, tellers, or mobile apps. Use it to pay bills, receive paychecks, and withdraw cash conveniently. Why is having a checking account so important? Let's dive into the many reasons why a checking account is essential for managing your finances effectively. It makes managing your money easier. You can track income and expenses, receive your salary directly, and pay bills electronically. A checking account offers convenience, security, and peace of mind. It's a fundamental tool for managing your finances effectively. Ready to open your own checking account? You'll need a few things: a valid ID, your social security number, and an initial deposit. Opening your account. A step-by-step guide. Opening a checking account is easier than you think. You can do it online, over the phone, or in person at a bank branch. Let's break it down step by step. First, do some research and find a bank that suits your needs. Look for low fees, convenient locations, and excellent customer service. Next, have your ID, social security number, and initial deposit ready. Then, fill out the application form accurately. Choose your account type. Finally, make your initial deposit. Congratulations! You've successfully opened your checking account. Choosing the right account for you. Compare options and choose one that aligns with your needs. Take control of your finances. Open a checking account to manage your money. Explore financial products to save and invest.